Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi curry, aloo tuk, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. Welcome and let's start cooking! Most popular Sindhi Mithai ever, Sev Ki Barfi. Now, looks like, why was Sev used? Sev is very cheap to make. It was Besan. It could store a long time. You know, you can store Sev in an airtight box forever. So, basically, that's what I have heard, that because Sev sasta rehta hai, it's much better that rather than using pista, badam, anjeer, kishmish, you use Sev. And remember, Sindhis, very frugal, very smart. You know, they know the score. Okay? Sabhi chao, Jhulelal. Normally, the Sev which is used here is bought from a shop. Okay? You have shops who are selling Sev without any salt. You can't use your Bikaneri Sev or Sev bhujia for this. This is simple. Abhi hum banayenge Sev aur unakha po asi thainda si sevaji barfi. Jhulelal. So I've got about 200 grams of besan here, into which I'm adding some hot oil. Okay, be careful. So we're gonna add the oil here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to mix this up with my fingers till this mixture almost resembles like crumbs. Okay, something like your short crust pastry or even your jo mohin jo karte hai na. Okay, so we're mixing this really nicely in here, and the idea is that you have to make like a softish kind of dough so that you can press it through this lovely machine which is right there in front of me. So for this I'm using a slightly larger hole for my Sev. I like thick Sev, और ये जो Sev रहते हैं मिठाई के लिए वो actually मोटे ही होते हैं वो. Okay? तो अभी what we need to do is we need to add a little water, just little by little. Okay. And bring this together to make a nice dough. Perfect. So it does get sticky, but once you knead it out, it's all good. Lovely. This sweet is associated with good fortune and prosperity, and that's the reasons why at every Sindhi wedding, childbirth and festivals like Thadri, Diwali, you will always find a singer mithai or a Sev Ki Barfi. Resting it while we are ready. So I have a nice press here. As I said, choice aapki hai. You can even buy the Sev. This is the first time I'm actually doing this Sev Ki Barfi with you guys. So I said, you know what, thoda to hona chahiye, you know what I mean? So I'm greasing this nicely, all the machines, so we all set. Now the dough which we've got is a nice, I would say, a softish kind of dough. Look, it's lovely. So I'm just going to be adding a part of it first here, okay, and see how it goes. Now imagine, अगर आपको सेव बनाना है, ओके, ये आपकी बेसिक रेसिपी है. अब इसके बाद नमक डालेंगे तो नमकीन सेव. अगर आप इसमें अजवाइन, हल्दी, गार्लिक पाउडर, तो गार्लिक सेव हो जाएंगे. So I'm trying to get a circular motion. तो ये हमारे सेव बन रहे हैं मस्त. इसमें हमने हल्दी वगैरह कुछ नहीं डाली है. Okay, just plain सेव. Look, you're getting a very nice color as well. So some must be saying थोड़ा सा मोटा लग रहा है chef, but you know what? This is the only cutter I have now, and this is pretty good, and it's the way I like to do it. By the time you cook it, you know the Sev, it is mushed at the end of the day. It's cooked down, so it's all right. Lovely. Let me see how much sev we have got here. According to that, we have a recipe also scaled. So I would say there should be about 220 grams, which is just perfect. So we have about 150 to 170 ml of milk. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water into this, a little bit of our saffron, a little more saffron here as well. Perfecto. We're going to be adding almost around the same quantity of sugar in this, okay? A nice big pinch of elaichi, very important, okay? I also have some gulab jal, rose water, which we will add later. So I'm going to dissolve the sugar in this, and then I'm going to be adding my khoya inside and getting it on a slow simmer here. Let me taste how sweet is it. I'm not a big fan of really sweet sweets. I know it sounds weird. Nice. Tamam sutto. Tamam sutto. Next, 120 khoya. Great, very, very important part of this. And we Sindhis, we call it mao. Mai ji mithai hai. That means mawa, khoya. Beautiful. Lovely color. I can't just wait to eat it. I've also prepared some thalis, which I've greased with a little bit of ghee. And then we're going to be pouring the mixture in this. And at this time, I'm going to be adding the sev inside. Okay, we're going to add all these sevs inside. And then at the same time, we are going to be cooking this down. And once the whole mixture starts leaving the sides of our pan, we are sorted. Perfect. Wow, see, you can see the milk is reducing, the mawa is doing its trick. Now you just got to be a little careful while you're doing this. 5 to 7 minutes of cooking. 1 spoon of ghee inside. So we've got a really nice, good thing going here. I'm going to let it cook on a very slow fire for about 5 to 7 minutes more. And we have some really nice dried fruits. I'm going to add a few pistachio slivers or sliced pistachios and some badam here as well. You get various garnishes, gold leaf, work, rose petals, but I want to stick to the basics. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this to leave the sides of the pan, another 3 to 4 minutes, and hamari sev ki barfi ready. So all the milk has been evaporated, mithai has come. Okay, so my mithai or my barfi as you call it, it is brilliant. It's very different from what I normally eat in the shop because I always wish that I could taste or feel the sev in my mouth, okay? Because a lot of the times it gets a bit too mushy, okay? So here I am making my own sev barfi here. हमारी ये सेव जी मिठाई तमाम सुठी, I would say Mote Sev Ki Barfi. Let's nicely pack this so that later on when we are ready to eat, you can eat it. You can cut it and eat it very easy. From the original halwais of Shikarpur all the way to the Gourmet Gyan kitchen and now to your homes with a lot of love and a lot of Sindhi pride. Enjoy. Sabhi chao. Jhulelah.